Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with some happy mail from Miss Margaret L. And I've pre-opened the box because I tried to record this video before and no, it didn't happen. My screen went completely black. So I'm here with take two. And what we have here is a sketchbook. It is a royal and Langnickel. It has 110 GSM, which is a 65-pound weight paper in it. So it's good for watercolor. We'll see. And it has 110 pages. Double-sided says 220 pages. So we'll see what I do with this. I may make a cover for it. And then we have all these cute little bags here. We have this one, and they come with tags on it. This one. Oops, there's the tag for that one. We have that one. That's all the little cute little bags that she sent. Okay, we also have 2 bags of feathers. Oops. Tiny little feathers. We also have some large peacock feathers. We also have some Alice in Wonderland charms. Okay. Oops, a daisy. Well, it's just not working for me today, is it? I'm going to put those down here. Then we have some Buddhas. I have an idea what I'm going to do with all this. And it's a good idea. Then we have some owls and dragons. And let's find a place for that. We also have a seed bead necklace. Okay. And that is it. We have everything in frame. Whoops. Let me see here. We have everything in frame, which is cool. So yet I can see all the array of goodness that she has sent me. If you stay tuned, I will have photos at the end of the video. So I want to thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And I want to wish you all well. Be safe. Be happy. Stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.